All right, we are doing 6-6, multiply, fractions, and mixed numbers. Page 208, page 209. So all our problems are over here on page 209. In your homework, and it talks about this too. It mentions this, use this distributive property. You can see this here. I'm not really going to go through that with you guys. It's not really relevant to what we're up to at the moment here. So basically all we're doing is solving them. Whether it says in your homework 9, 10, 11, and 12, it says use the distributive property, just solve them the same, okay? Make sense?
Yeah.
Just solve. So number 4.
Oh, this
Right.
one.
So we don't have a lot of multiplying left. Tomorrow's multiplying mixed numbers, and then we shift over to division. So we technically only have this lesson and one more for multiplying before we shift to division. But division is, well, it's pretty easy because it's the same as multiplying. So we're going to use what we just checked here in 6-5, where if I say 3.5 here, and I want to convert that to an improper fraction, what would it be? Right, be 7 and, right, because 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, denominator never changes, I get 7.5. And once it's in this form, because again, 3.5, it's the same thing as this, now I can go ahead and multiply and bring this all home here. You have to get it in this improper fraction form. You have to convert mixed numbers to improper fraction. Write it down if you want. First, convert any mixed number, such as 3.5, to improper fraction, which of course is 7/2. Then multiply as normal. That's all there is to it. So I've turned my 3.5 into 7.5, and now I can see my problem there. I can just multiply. I can't, no cross simplify, right? Nothing to cross simplify, agree with that? So on the top, 7 times 1 is 7. On the bottom, 3 times 2 is 6. There's my answer, 7, 6, but of course our answer is never represented in improper fraction form. We need to convert that back to a mixed number. 3.5 times 1/3 equals 1 1/6. So name of the game is being able to convert between those two forms. Get your mixed numbers in improper fraction form first. Multiply as normal, look to cross simplify where possible, and then finally convert your answer into mixed number form if necessary. And that's it. Yes.
Are there 2 ways to do this, or is there just one easy way?
This is pretty much the way here.
You want to do it the hard way? Yeah.
We'll cover the distributed property before it's all said and done, but it's more something we'll use much more frequently in 7th and 8th grade than 5th and 6th grade. It's just not information you need right now. So there we go. I'll walk through it. I'll give you one more here. Number 6. Try them on your own. I'll walk through them. Only difference here is now the mixed numbers on the right side, but that doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's going to be the same answer either way.
Right. So try them on your own, and then I'll probably give you guys some for your sticks. Yes, sir.
What problems are we doing?
5 and 6.
Okay.
Okay. So number 5, I see this here, got to resolve that. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. I got 5 over 2. This one's already in fraction form, so there's really nothing to change. Should end up with 5 over 2 times 3/5. I can cross simplify the 5s. And now that's as simple as it gets. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. As a mixed number, 1 and 1/2. This one here, so 5/14 is fine. It's in fraction form. Mixed number, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3. Then I can cross simplify the 14 and the 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 5, now finish it off. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. Doesn't need to be converted into anything because it's a proper fraction. It's 5/6. What do you think?
Easy.
You can do it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, then I'll put up 8 problems here. We should be able to get them done in time. All right. Number 8. 2/3 times 4 and 1/5. Number 12. 6 and 1/8 times 4/7. 16. 3/4 times 1 and 2/6. 20. 6/7 times 4 1/3. Here we go. First 4. Number 8, 12, 16, and 20. Right down the row there. The homework. Tomorrow I'll be back to writing on the board, by the way. But homework, page 68. Page 68, problems 1 through 16. And again, you don't have to worry about the distributive property method. Just solve using the method that you know. Find out the first 4. Number 8 will be for Ella. 12 for Stella. 16, Michaela. And 20, Noah.
It could have been all 4 girls doing it.
Me too.
You did. The two Ellas are first. Stella and Ella.
Yeah.
They are first.
I wonder what the odds of picking 4 girls in a row would have been.
Wait, trade Noah out for Lauren.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah, do.
Let's see,
Why are you doing it?
50% chance, I think.
I guess the next one's gonna be. Mostly
It's going to have to be that way because it's going to have to do one problem. Or Mr. Marks will do a problem. Comes first.
So the odds of pulling 4 girls in a row is about 0.5%.
50, yeah.
Approximately 1 in 200 chance of it happening.
Well, yeah, because there's 8 people and 4 girls and 4 boys.
Well, there's the probability of it right there. We're going to cover probability later this year, but there you go. It's about 0.5%. 1 in 200
I
chance.
just look up at that thing
Go.
for the chance.
Same odds of pulling 4 boys in a row, by the way.
Yeah.
It's a 1 in 200
It's
chance of it
basically
happening.
50-50.
True. All right. Who's ready? Ella?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So, help me set it up. 2/3 times what?
2/3 times 21 over 5.
Right. Cross simplify.
3 and 21 the 21 turns into a 7. 3 turns into a 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 over 5 it has to be simplified into 2 and 4/5.
Perfect. 2 and 4/5. That's exactly correct there. Stella, you ready?
There's 12.
Yep.
Yeah.
So 6 and 1/8 turns into
43A.
what's 8 times 6?
8 times 6 is 48. So 49A.
Right. 49/8 times 4 sevens. Cross simplify.
The 8 is 2 and the 4 is a 1.
Yep.
And then the 49 can become a 7 and the 7 is a 1.
Right. You can divide both of these by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 49 divided by 7 is 7.
So then 7 over 2
Yep.
equals 3 and a half.
Right. 3 and 1/2. There's our final answer. Good. All right. Michaela. So 3/4. What's this 1 and 2/6 turn into?
1 and 2 is 6.
6 times 1
6
plus 2.
7
6 plus 2.
12. No, divide
6.
7.
7. 8. So I got 8. What do I put on the bottom?
Denominator number changes.
Yep.
4.
Denominator was 6.
I mean 6. No.
Right. So then we'll cross simplify. 3 divided by 3.
1.
6 divided by 3.
6
2.
2.
4 divided by 4.
1.
8 divided by 4. 2.
2.
And then 2 times 1
2.
over 2 times 1.
2.
2 over 2 simplifies 2.
2.
Just 1. It's a whole fraction.
Yep, 2 of the same.
16. Final answer is 1.
Fraction
Noah, set it up. 6 sevenths times.
6, 7, 4 and 1/3. So the 4 and 1/3 becomes a 13 over 3.
Yep.
And then the 6 becomes a 2 and the 3 becomes a 1. 2 times 13 is 20. And 7 times 3 is, and 7 times 1 is 7.
Yep.
So then you have 3 and 5 7.
Yes, sir. Well done. 3 and 5 sevenths. Okay. Real quick here. Let's see. Oh, let's give you 2 more. 2 of you won't get to go because of time. Try number 18 and 23. Last 2. So sorry, 2 of you We're off the hook
I'm
today.
gonna look at the probabilities as says from up there.
You really should.
25% chance that I get picked.
2 1/2 times 2/15. Number 23, 4 1/5 times 6/7. Last two, and then we're out of here. The only difference tomorrow's lesson will be multiplying a mixed number times a mixed number, which means we'll just have to do this process twice, where we'll have to turn both mixed numbers into improper fractions, and then multiply as normal. So that'll be the difference with tomorrow. But if you can do it today, then tomorrow should be not too challenging.
It's true though.
All right. You guys almost ready?
I'm right.
All right, 18, Lauren.
So the 2 1/2 becomes 5 over 2,
Yep,
and then times 2/15.
yep,
The 5 and 15s can be cross simplified,
yep.
and then both the 2's can be simplified also. So it would be 1 over 3.
Right, and that's it. So that when you cross simplify, there's what you're left with there. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, last one. Here we go. Lucky contestant Uriah. Bring it home so we can go to recess.
Anyway, boring.
He won the 2% chance.
Oh.
He was going to get
No, it turned into a 3. So it would be 333% chance.
So 4 1/5 turns into
I'm trying to find the problem that you did.
23.
Are you not working on it?
23?
I know big two.
4 1/5 turns into 21, and then you can cross simplify 21 and 7, so that would be 3 and 7.
What?
3 and 1, I mean.
3 and 1,
Then
yep.
5 times 1 is 5, and 3 times 5 is 15.
3 times 6
3
is
times
6/7. You can't cross simplify the 5 and the 6.
No.
You
Oh.
got
and
3
that's not
times 6.
simplifying
Sometimes.
after 3 and 7.
Huh?
So 5 times 1, and then 3 times 6.
Yep. 3 times 6 is
3 times 6 equals
bring it on.
18.
All right, 18/5. What's our final answer so we can all go?
The final answer
Stop
is
edging us, Uriah. Yeah, come on, stop
3
Stop edging us.
and 3. No. Yes.
Yes,
yes.
Uriah.
Stop edging us.
5th.
Alright, I have a final message for all the viewers.
Oh, okay.
This is a homemade drawing by Lauren.
So why do you have to say homemade? Would it not be
Right.
homemade? Is it made in a factory?
Alright,
Here's the new duck.
don't forget to like and subscribe.
There you go. Very good.
and subscribe.